The best AI tools for small business are the ones that replace your biggest time drain first. That's the answer. And most guides never start there. Instead, they list 20 tools and leave you trying to figure out where to begin. Here at AI Pro Studios, we work with small business owners every day, and the pattern is always the same. The businesses that get real results from AI start with one workflow, fix it completely, then move to the next. The tools that move the needle fastest fall into 3 categories: a content tool for writing and marketing copy, a customer service tool that handles repetitive queries, and an automation tool that connects everything together. Think Claude or ChatGPT for content, tools like TDO or Intercom for customer conversations, and Make or Zapier to automate the handoffs between them. What most small business owners miss is that the ROI isn't in the individual tools. It's in the connections between them. One business we worked with cut their content production time by 70%, not by adding more tools, but by properly connecting 3 they already had. The right AI tools for small business aren't the most powerful ones on the market. They're the ones that fit the way you already work and free you up to focus on what only you can do. Explore the full guide below to see exactly which tools work best for each part of your business.